Hey friend, are you struggling to turn your hobby into an online business? Or maybe you recently did and you have no idea what to do next. Well, I've got news for you. You are not alone. There are many other people out there in the same exact situation. But for me, I personally love helping people take their idea to thriving. I'm Monica Fullerton, the founder and CEO of Spousely, an online marketplace to shop and support our nation's heroes. Over the past few years, and actually past decade, I've worked with small business owners just like you. I am so passionate about helping others shine in business, which led me to creating my new online course, Build, Launch, and Thrive Online. But this course is so much more than just an online course. It's a built in community, a built in support system, because at the end of the day, we all know it's so much more than business. It's about the journey. So I encourage you to take a look at the course and see if you're a good fit. I know what it means to have a business bestie along the way, and I want to be that just for you. So take a look, see if it's a good fit, and let's make it BLT time.